Check it out. We just got this in the schmail, right? Let's unbox it. Ta-da! Handy dandy. Get started. Here it is. Check it out. Wow. Does that look good or what? Nice, ergonomically designed to hold in your hand. TV on, power button. It's got a lot of buttons on it, much more than usual. And this is where you put the batteries. And I think we got to pop it open. Man, it does not want to open. You'd think they'd make these easier to open. I mean, look, check it out. It does come with batteries. So you do get 2 batteries, which is nice. See if I can get them out of the plastic. All right. So we got the batteries. Let me set that down. But the remote, I've encountered my first problem with this. It's got a nice little thing that it, sets on the table with. It's really glossy. There's the name of the company right there. But it's just, how do you get this open? I'm going to show you guys how to open this. You've got to push down hard on this, like this, and push it like that. That was ridiculous. So I pushed down as hard as I could to get that little thing popped out of there. You see that? That was in there. Let's see if I put it back in, what happens. I mean, it was in there so tight. So when I put it back in, I got to kind of slide it. Let me show you. I got to kind of slide it in like this. And then you snap it, right? Then to get it off, you got to push down hard like this. I mean, I had to really push down hard. And that kind of flexes this so that this little latch right there will pop off of here. All right, so good luck with that, you guys. That was nuts. All right, so let's put this in here. That's a design flaw. All right, so we got the batteries in, right? Let me just show you. So negative's got the spring, right? That's the negative side. Here. Negative's got the spring. Slide it in. Positive here. All right, so now we're ready to go. Set it on like this. Bam. Bob's your uncle. Now we're ready to rock. Now this thing is loaded, and we can go ahead and try it out on a TV. That was hard. Yeah, you guys are going to have a hard time with that. So, good luck. That's the unboxing video. Now I've got to show you how to download the app and then try to use it on a TV. But basically you get this, which is super sleek looking. It's nice. It does come with the batteries, which we put in here, right? But that is going to be a little tough because, it's hard to open. But you guys will figure it out. You saw I got it done. Anyway, that's the unboxing. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.